This is Storm Team 8.
It is 12 minutes after 6 on your Sunday morning. Storm Track Live radar looks quite active this morning, especially compared to last night. The thing about what you see moving across Lake Michigan is, number one, it's running into a lot of dry air, and it's going to have a hard time making it too far inland across parts of West Michigan. The other thing is it's really not very heavy. Tracking what is just west of Holland and moving this to the east at about 20 miles an hour brings it into the lakeshore around Holland by about 7:25. What you see trying to move onshore here near South Haven, if it could make it to the western side of Kalamazoo County, that would occur at about 7:30. However, even as this continues to progress its way to the east, a lot of it is going to be evaporating as it falls from the bases of the clouds. So even if it looks like there's green over your particular area this morning, much of that may not be reaching the ground. So with that in mind, most areas just see a few sprinkles today. The best chance to see that is along the Lake Michigan shoreline and south and west of Grand Rapids. The breeze picks up for everybody. We're talking about an easterly wind at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. It'll be stronger, though, tomorrow with some of those gusts up to around 40 miles an hour. And a better chance for a steadier rain. So even into Monday morning, Monday afternoon, rain could be coming down at a pretty good clip at times. You'll definitely want the umbrella with you. Overall, a pretty wet pattern is in the forecast for this week with heavier rain potentials into Wednesday and then scattered showers as we head right on into your Friday and Saturday. Air temp down a degree in Grand Rapids to 39, 35 in Ionia, low to mid 40s along the Lake Michigan shoreline. And here's a good picture of what's going to happen today. So this is 9 o'clock. Notice how we have some green painted over the area. This is what I was talking about, is that area over Lake Michigan moves inland. It's going to have a hard time actually producing much, perhaps a sprinkle or two. But in some cases, you may have green over your particular area, and the rain may not be reaching the ground. Here we are at 6 p.m. if you have plans this afternoon. Most of them should get by on the dry side by 1 o'clock in the morning. Still mainly dry, a few sprinkles. Things change, though, tomorrow. Look at what happens. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Steadier and heavier rain trying to push into West Michigan. Similar conditions Tuesday into Wednesday. Briefly warmer. Could see temperatures into the upper 60s on Tuesday. I can't rule out a thunderstorm or two. Colder air drains back in to finish out the week. And Mark, we may be a little optimistic with temps there Friday into Saturday. Making it into the low 50s may actually be a little bit cooler than that.
Yeah, I did notice it was beautiful yesterday, but it was still a bit chilly. It was on the chilly side. It just doesn't seem like we're able to get over that hump yet when it comes to temperatures anyway.
That's right. Haven't been able to break the pattern, and really looks like as we head into the first half of May, we're going to stay a little bit below normal as well. But on the bright side, there are no longer negatives in front of those temperatures.
I was going to say, yeah, that is definitely the bright side. I didn't know where you're going with that, but I was like, yeah, I hope there's no more negatives in there. Well, let's take a look at